we are going to look into set operations in SQL. So the set operations helps me to combine data from the two result set or check on the common data from the result set or whatever are the other set operations. Those can be applied on the result set that we get. Now consider one example where I create one table for all the employees in US, another table for all the employees in UK, and I insert details into employee US table, which includes Alice, Bob and Charlie, and then there is I insert details into UK table, which includes Bob, Charlie and David. So Bob and Charlie are working in both the countries. Now to get the names of the employees, just the name of the employees who are working in either this office or that office, I make use of union operation. So I say select name from employee US, select name from employee UK, and then it will give me all the employee names that are there. Now here, one thing to understand here is whatever I include in this select and whatever I include in this select, these are to be the order of the attributes, the number of the attributes and the type of the attributes has to be same in both the queries. Consider if I am looking for the total number of employees with their names. So I make use of union all. Union all basically helps me to include the duplicates. So select name from employee US, union all, select name from employee UK. So here it includes Bob and Charlie, Bob and Charlie, Bob and Charlie, Bob and Charlie in the twice. Consider the names common in both US and UK. So here I give intersect. So it will give me Bob and Charlie. If I include intersect all, then it is going to show me twice. Oh, all version of the intersect operator is not supported. Okay, maybe it is supported in other versions of SQL, other software. And also consider if I want the names of the employees who are in US but not in UK, I make use of accept. I think in accept also all is not supported. No. So here employee US, so it should only show me Alice, because see if I change this to UK and this to US, it shows me only David. So these are the set operations that we have. Union, union all, intersect and accept. So it takes this result, and applies the operation on both. The only condition here is the order of the attributes, the type of the attributes and the number of attributes are to be same in the first query and in the second query as well.